Hey, welcome back. In this part, we will create our footer. I'm Fahad Ahmed with you. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the PSD and this is the footer. We will create this footer right now. So let's go to our Elementor editor. So this is our editor. Elementor Free has no option to create a footer. So we have created our header using the plugin header footer blocks. By using the same plugin, we will create the footer. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so from here we will go to appearance to header footer blocks. Okay, from here at the top we will click add new. Now let's scroll a bit. Let's select template type. We will select footer here. Okay, now here is a display option. We will select entire website. Now hit the publish button. Okay, now we will click here edit with Elementor. Alright, now we will take a new section here. Go to the PSD file. Let's first see how much padding we have at the top and at the bottom. Okay, so we have 120 pixels at top and same at the bottom, and the background is black. So let's go to here, go to a style tab, select background. We will select this dark color. Now go to the advanced padding. We will set 120 at the top and 120 at the bottom. Okay, now let's go to the design. So here we have the copyright text. Now let's go to Elementor editor. We'll search here for copyright text. This one is coming for header footer blocks. So let's drag it to here. Okay, so by default we got a text here. We want to change the text. So let's go to the PSD. We will copy the text from here. Okay, now let's go back to our editor. So we can remove this copyright text. Then we have our website kind here, then the site title. We don't need all of these. We will only keep the kind here, and let's remove others and paste our text here. Okay, now let's remove these 2021. Here is text color option. We will change it to white. Okay, now the typography, we will change the typography font family to World, and we will align the text to center. Okay, but here is the name was yellow color. Here it is. So let's go back. Let's type here span, then space and style equal. Then we will type here color, and we will copy this yellow color, this color, copy this color code, and we will paste it to here. Okay, now we will close the span here. Okay, it's looking nice. Now click to this update button. Let's go back to the design. Here we have some social icon. We will add those right now. So go to the Elementor editor. Let's search here for social icons. This one we will drag it to here. Okay, now let's go back to design and see what icon we have. Facebook, Twitter, Dribble, Google, and YouTube. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, we will add Dribble account here. This one. Okay, then we will add YouTube icon here. This one. We can add more icon like Instagram. Okay, now let's go to the style tab. Here is official color. We'll make it custom. Primary color, we will make it transparent. Okay, secondary color is white. The size will be little bit small, 20 pixel. Okay, now here is the spacing. Okay, now we will add a up arrow here. When we click this one, the space will scroll to up. Now let's go to our design. Here is the arrow. Let's save the image. Ctrl S, C, N. Okay, remove the background from here. File, save for web. We will save it as a JPG. Okay, save. Let's name it to up arrow. Okay, and go back to here. Let's drag a image element here, then select the image, upload file. Okay, this one. Insert media. Okay, so here it is. We will make it to full. Okay, then go to advanced tab. From here we will go to positioning. Here is position. Let's make it absolute. We'll make it right and bottom. From here you will see width option. Let's make it inline auto. We will grab this icon a little bit down. So from here offset, let's create some minus offset, 83 or minus 70. Okay, now let's click to the update and go to content. Here is link option. Let's make it to custom URL and we will type here hash banner and click to this update button. Now let's check the responsive mode. Tablet, it's looking good, but right side we didn't have any padding or something like that. Go to the advanced tab, positioning. We'll set some offset at right, like 50 pixel. Okay, now let's go to the mobile view. Okay, it's also looking cool. Now let's click to this update button. Okay, from the left we will go to our dashboard and we will visit our site right now. Okay, let's scroll to bottom. Okay, our footer is added, but this link is not working. Let's click to this edit with Elementor and we will edit this section. Sometimes you can select this area because here is a header and this header is a negative margin. So from here we will click this navigator, first section. Okay, now let's go to the advanced tab. Here is ID option. We will type here banner. Now let's click to this update and go to the bottom. So if we click this right now, we will scroll to top. Okay, so we have already created our footer. This way we have finished our journey PSD to Elementor. Now let's see our page. Okay, so here is our nice banner with nice header. Then here is the code, and here is the services section, then the status section, and here is the portfolio section. Here is nice client section with the image slider. Then we have a fully working contact form, and here is the footer top area, and here is the footer. We have created all of these, and the full site is fully responsive for tablet and mobile view. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It will inspire us to create this kind of valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye and good luck.